And here's the view I get from my blind. So I usually use my 400 millimeter. There's one of my pieces of driftwood and my winterberry holly, the iron gate. The weeds behind it haven't been bush hogged down yet. Those will be bush hogged down, which will give me a nice bokeh in the background. There's the bird bath, another winterberry holly, another piece of driftwood. That's the lotus pond, which a lot of birds are drinking from. Here is my crabapple tree, which I wish had apples. That's part of my garden right there that is now winter killed. And there is my waterfall. So that's what I can see. Oh, the rest of my garden goes over like this. So there's plenty of stuff to use for photography.